Is your living room wall looking flat, boring, maybe just a little forgettable? Imagine you have people over and is that one part of your room that feels unfinished. That wall decides whether your living room feels complete or not. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. If you are new here, I'm Brikrang Eje Nana Kwame from Design, Print and Finish. We specialize in professional framing and wall creation for homeowners who want their spaces to feel intentional, not just by accident. I've walked into several beautiful homes and they still felt incomplete. And almost every time, the issue wasn't the sofa, it was the walls. So today, I'm going to show you two simple designer methods that solve what I call the blank wall problem. There are two methods. Method one, the story wall method. Let's start with the gallery wall, but not the messy kind. A curated gallery wall tells your story. It feels collected, not random. And the difference always comes down to planning. These are the steps to get your gallery wall. Step one, collect with meaning. Don't just grab photos or choose pieces just like that. Choose pieces that matter to you. Artwork you love, travel pictures, family portraits, postcards, or your children's artwork. Gallery wall isn't always matching frames, that's one type. There's another type where you can mix wood, black, white, metallic frames, just to make the design cohesive. But here is where most people make the mistake. They skip the layout step, and that is step two. Plan before you hammer. Use the paper cutout method to trace your frames and cut them out. Arrange them on the floor first. You start with the largest piece. It doesn't have to be on the center. You can just slightly put it off center. That small shift can, make it feel like, more designed. Keep the spacing around it, say 1 to 3 inches. When it looks right on the floor, it will look right on the wall. Step 3, hang with confidence. Take a photo of the layout and tape the template on the wall. Mark carefully and hang. If a nail goes slightly wrong, it's fixable. What's worse is leaving the wall blank out of fear. So that has to do with method one, the gallery wall. Now, maybe you are thinking, I don't want that many frames. Good, that's fine. And you have your taste and you have your preference. Because sometimes the wall doesn't need more frames. It needs depth. You just need to, layer it. And that takes me to the method number 2, which is called the depth layer method. Flat walls feel plain, but layered walls feel intentional and designed. The depth layer method is simple. Give the wall character, then add one strong focal piece. This is how you do it. Step 1, add character to the wall. This can be as simple as, let's say, a wall panel, or painting your wall with a deeper color, or having a vertical wood strip, or even a textured wallpaper. You don't need anything complicated. You just need something that breaks up the flatness. We just don't want a bare flat wall. Even subtle texture changes how light hits the wall. And that change would also change how the room feels. But texture alone won't finish the job. You still need a focal point. One big piece that will make a statement. That takes us to step 2. Add one strong piece to your design. Instead of cluttering the wall, choose one confident element. Let's say a large mirror, one oversized big artwork, or maybe you frame something, an artwork Or say you put a wall light on a wall. One strong piece feels intentional, but too many will feel busy. So be careful. Contrast does the work for you. So make sure you add something that is smooth and maybe textured, something that is soft, something that has structure, just play with the contrast. And suddenly the room will feel complete and, polished. Whilst most homes, try to fill up their walls, refined homes define them. There's a difference. Your wall should anchor the room, not disappear in it. Your wall should be the centerpiece, should speak about your room, should tell your story. That is how a centerpiece works. So which direction feels more like you? Is it the story wall, which is personal and expressive, or the depth layer, which is clean and architectural? Tell me in the comments. Let me know what style you prefer. And if you want it done professionally from the start, that's where design, print, and finish comes in. We create walls, we frame intentionally, and we install precisely. Perfect professional framing is our specialty, and it makes all the difference. If you want to take the guesswork out of creating a cohesive, beautiful display, book a private wall creation session with me. Check the description below for how to get in touch. So in conclusion, a blank wall is never neutral. It either elevates the room or weakens it. Now you know 2 ways to transform your room: through story or through depth. If you want to master elegant framing, watch the ultimate framing guide next. Once you understand your walls, you never leave them blank again. See ya.